Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So, students, this is your Hot in Maths class. So, be ready with your book and the required material. Take out your book. Students, today we will do page number 58. So, take out page number 58. Students, in class 1, you have done corners and sides. Do you remember? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, ma'am will explain you what are corners and what are sides. So students, first of all, I am going to explain you corners. Corner is that point where two lines meet, right? Where two lines meet, that point is called corner. Okay, for example, you can see this image, right? You can see this is a square, and in the square, as I told you, that what is corner? Where the two lines meet. For example, you can see, students, this line and this line. Yes, you can see this line and this line, they are meeting at this point. Yes, this point. They are meeting at this point. So this is the corner. In the same way, this line and this line. Yes, they are meeting at this point. This is their meeting point. So it is the corner. So where the two lines meet, that point is called corner. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So now what is side? A side is a line segment that joins two vertices in a shape. In simple words, you can say line can be defined to form the outline of a shape. Okay. We can make the shape with the help of line. So students, you can see students, in this figure we are going to count the lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides does it have? It has 4 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 sides. Hope you understand it, the meaning of corner and side. Is it clear? Okay. So now, first question we have, a dash has dash corners and sides. Now tell me students, what is this? Yes, very good. This is a rectangle. Now we will count the corners and the sides. Okay. So first of all, we will count its corner. Okay. So see students, what is corner? Where the two lines meet. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So how many corners? 4. First of all, this is rectangle, right? So we have options A, B, C and D. In the A option, they have written square. Is it square? No, it is not a square. So this is not the right option. Okay. Now move to the next, that is B, rectangle. Yes, it is rectangle. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will count the sides. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. So which option is right? Option B. Is it clear? Okay. So now in the second question we have a triangle. You can see the triangle. So you will count the sides and corners. Okay. So you have four examples A, B, C and D. So you know very well it is a three-sided figure. Okay. It has three sides. So this is a triangle. Okay, then you will count the sides and count the corners. Okay, so this is your homework. Now the next one we have a dash has dash sides and dash corners. What is this? This is a circle. So in the circle there is no side and no corners, means it has zero side and zero corner, because it is a round figure, right? And there is no straight line in this figure. So it has zero sides and zero corners. Is it clear? So which option is right? Option C. Okay, beta. In the circle, there is no side and no corner. Okay. Now, module 6. What is the shaded shape in the given figure? Okay. Now you can see there are two shapes. One is square and one is circle. And this part is shaded, means this shape is shaded, right? You can see this shape is shaded and we have four options: A, circle, B, square, C, rectangle, D, triangle. So the question is, what is the shaded shape? So which shape is shaded? Square. So you will tick on option B. Okay. So now the first question is, what is the shaded shape in the given figure? So you can see, okay beta, you can see this part is shaded and this is your homework. You will find out that which is the shaded shape. Okay. Now see second question. This is a semicircle. You can see students, this is complete circle, right? And this is half circle, or you can say semicircle. Okay. And this part is shaded. Okay beta, you can see this part is shaded. So this is a semicircle. So which option is right? Option D. Is it clear? Okay. So now take out page number 60. Module 9. What are these figures made up of? So you can see the shape. Okay. The figure is made up of dash triangles. You can see students, there are two triangles. Yes. This is the first triangle. This is, you can see, one triangle. It has three sides and this side is the common side, right? This is the common side of two triangles. So the figure is made up of two triangles and the option B is the right option. Okay students, so now we have first question. The figure is made up of dash triangles and dash rectangle. So we will count. So you can see students, in this figure there are two triangles, 1 and 2. There are two triangles. And what is this? Yes, tell me. Very good. This is a rectangle. Very good. Okay, now tell me, what are the properties of rectangle? In the rectangle, all the sides are equal or not? No. Very good. Because in the square, all the sides are equal, but in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So, there is one rectangle and two triangles. Okay. So find out the option. Which option is right? Yes, option D. Very good. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So now part second, question second and question third. This is your homework. Module 10, you can see in the first question, you can see the figure is made up of dash triangles and one dash. So students, now we will count the triangles. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 triangles and one dash. So you can see this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Means the opposite sides are equal. So what is this? This is a rectangle, right? So in this figure, how many triangles? Yes, 3 triangles. Very good. And so students, how many triangles in it? 1, 2 and 3. And one dash, one rectangle. So which option is right? Option C. So we will tick on option C. Is it clear? Now the second question, the figure is made up of dash triangles and one dash. So this is your homework. So now take out your diaries. Write down the date. Write down the date and the homework. Complete page number 58 and 60. Write down the homework. Complete page number 58 and 60. Have you written the homework? Okay. So students, in the next class, we will do the next topic. Okay. So till then, bye. Take care. Have a nice day.